trolleys of this kind are a common sight on the Indian Railways network and are used for monitoring and maintenance of the track. The Konkan Railway, however, uses a self-propelled rail maintenance vehicle, also called the RMV, that patrols the track from sunrise to sunset between Kolad and Tokkur. I spotted one such unit at the Ratnagiri station while waiting to board the 11086 Mazgaon to Mumbai Lokmanya Tilak Terminus AC double-decker express. The self-propelled RMV unit is a diesel-powered vehicle and is employed for track patrolling and maintenance on the Konkan Railway. Unlike its predecessor inspection trolley, the RMV offers protection from the elements, it can carry more equipment, it can work faster, and it is a safer vehicle. In 2007, one such unit had infamously back-ended into the Konkan Kanya Express inside a tunnel near Karbude. There were 4 casualties. But apart from that one unfortunate incident, the RMVs of the Konkan Railway are doing a wonderful job at maintaining safety on the line.